Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share my videos. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel first and click the bell button. Help me to reach here the 20,000 subscribers. Thank you. We're looking to Bitcoin. So more and more my predictions coming true. You remember maybe 1 month ago, the Moonboy channels predict here 100,000, and you can see they are total false. Yeah, the price is here at 46,000. And I predict here at here 69,000 levels that the price will fall to the downside. Also here at these levels, I predict that we will see a big fall. And now I also predict here that we will fall here to 28,000. The next target is here. Relative easy. We have here support, but this support is not a strong support. Yeah, we will go to 28,000. 28,000, 30,000, but we will not stay a long time here. Yeah, so this will end in that way. And let's look. But this will not happen now. We have to wait a little bit. Let's look. So we delete this so that we get this. So now I show you why we will fall. The reason is we have here this triangle. Yeah, in my previous video I showed you that we have this triangle and we have to stay in this triangle so that we could get um, something like that or that. Yeah, and you can see how this play out. Exactly what I predict. The price is going here to the downside and make here a retest of this area. Yeah, and you can see these two lines crossing here, and this is a dangerous indicator for Bitcoin that we will never see these prices again. Yeah, I think 3 months or 4 months we will never see this again. Yeah, so I think the next stage is that we will go here in that way to 42,000. That is clear. This the 42,000, 40,000 is clear. So I think after reaching this point, we will make here a retest of this level here. And so I think a test of 43,000, make this stupid formation, yeah, and after that the price will fall again to the downside. Yeah. So here's open if we make this move or relative quick that we fall directly to 30,000. This is open in my eyes at the moment. So but the general picture what we have here is true. What I predict you over 4 or 5 months ago that we will go here to the downside. And now the Kraken CEO warns that 2022 is a very worse um, month for Bitcoin. Yeah, so I think so. Or I thought, yeah, why they warn the people here at 46,000? Yeah, why they not warn here? So I don't know if they have something to do with that the price is falling or rising. Also, why this person um, could not announce his warnings not here in these levels. Yeah, why he have to warn here in these levels, which everybody knows that the Bitcoin will fall to 30,000. Yeah. So after that, I think it's interesting. If you're looking here to these areas, you can see the Bitcoin price has here a support at 30,000, but in my eyes, this is not a really support. I think after this touching this area, Bitcoin could make a rally to this point, to 40,000, I think, um, so that I think until February, that we make something like that, yeah, so rising of these air prices, yeah, and March we could get here really big crash to 10,000. Yeah, it's really depend what the Federal Reserve make, yeah. Um, I think if they announce that they um, need few months more for money printing, then that could happen here earlier, that we fall here these levels. Let's look here more near term, what we have here. So it's relatively clear here. We fall out of this range here, triangle, and you can see we test this one time. We test this a second time, third time. If you're not counting this, one time, two time, three time, and the fourth time, we have to retest this again, and all conditions are fulfilled. We could get here a really big dump to these levels here. Maybe in the next few hours or next day, we will get here this, yeah, to go here 42,000 levels, and after hit these levels, then we could make here retest of this area, yeah, and finally drop to lower levels. Yeah, this is the exact or more in detail what we will see. So I think this has more detailed information for you. Yeah. So let's delete this. Let's look how this play out. And also interesting, the Moon Boys, they predict here in these levels that the price will fall here to the downside. People who follow my channel, they know this information here at the top, yeah. So they know exactly, I said this in the videos, that the price of Bitcoin will fall, and the Moon Boys predict here that the price will go here to 100,000. These are two stupid people. They really predict something like that. Maybe next time I can show you the predictions of them, that they really thought, yeah, that the price will go here to 100,000. And today on yesterday, and one of the um, people who also in the media, yeah, they say here at these levels that the price of Bitcoin will go to 80,000, 100,000. So they make here misinformation, yeah, and nobody say about these people something, yeah. So the price will fall here to the downside, and I think it's relatively clear.